I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics. That Rose Gold compliment.
What up, YouTube? So it's a quick video just for an update. I meant to update y'all like about 2 weeks ago. So the last video I did with the Project F, right? F type. It was, well, not the last video, the video before, I think. I don't know. The misfire video. Alright, so what came to find out was that car had a misfire again. It was due to the tune. So I talked to Chris at Vape. I think it was Chris. I think it was. Forgive me if I got your name wrong. I think it was Chris though. That does the tuning at Velocity AP. And he sent me 2 new files. He told me I was probably running lean. He sent me 2 new richer files, right? And he told me to try both of them. I only got to one of them. Put the new file on, and okay, I didn't even tell you the problem. I did yeah, I did on the last video. Anyway, I didn't tell you the problem. Okay, so I was having at high RPMs. Seemed like it was about 5th gear maybe. With 5th gear at full throttle, I'd freaking start misfiring, and then that mugger just misfired till I stopped the car. Turn it off, turn it back on. Turn it off, turn it on, resets. Alright, so got the file from Chris. Got 2 files actually. Version 2 and version 3. Put version 2 on there, and literally I just started running, no problem. I mean, going like I was punching this mug, trying to make sure, like, man, this mug is not misfiring. I felt so happy. I was like, man, ain't no more problems, no more parts I gotta change out, because that was kind of discouraging for a second. So that fixed the issue. Alright, so I ended up finding, now being 3 weeks since that video, I ended up finding, because I ran a tune for about 3 weeks, so I ended up finding another miss in that spot, in that file, and it was like probably at one spot, and the only reason I found it, it's not really a miss per se how you would probably think. But the reason I found it was because I misshifted. So my RPM was pegged out in 4th gear, and boom, I hit a lean spot at the peg out. I don't know the 2nd or 3rd time it bounced. I don't know, but the thing popped up. Boom, misfire came on. Light went on, and then as soon as I shifted, the light just went back off, stayed off. It probably was on for a couple seconds and went back out. But the car was misfiring. I felt it, the rough riding. So what I did was just pull over to the parking lot, cut it off, wait about 10 seconds, cut it back on, gone. So now I'm gonna upload version 3. And I'm kind of worried if I really want to upload version 3 and riching it up even more, because I wasn't supposed to hit that peg out to make that happen, you know. So that's not part of it. I don't want to keep getting too rich, because the car is running very fine right now. I don't have any issues or anything like that. Like, it's running how it's supposed to be running, and I don't think I've even hit any starvation spots. So, but however, since I already got version 3 loaded on my flash tool, I'm probably gonna put it on there and just see how the car performs and I'll know for sure. And if I'm happy with version 3, then that's what it'll be, because I'd rather be safe than sorry. So that's just a quick update, letting y'all know where we at as far as Project F. And the last video about the the misfire, since I've been speaking on it, since I haven't spoke on it. However, concerning the damage, the accident, the side swipe that I had, I've already ordered a front lip, which I will be doing a video on that. I'm out of town right now. I'm in a hotel, but I've already ordered the front lip. Got a quote on the vehicle already. Actually need to send a new quote to State Farm, because that quote they gave me, boy, that thing was so low. They gave me $2,400. How about that? State Farm did a quote based on the phone taking pictures, and so $2,400 to fix that. I'm like, how much you think a paint job is? Paint a half a paint job is $2,400. So I took it to the dealership in Metairie down here in Louisiana. They had a body shop, so it's actually the body shop, the official body shop for JLR or Paredes Jaguar in New Orleans, Metairie, and it gave me a way more reasonable quote. And so when I get some time, I'll submit that quote. I need to submit that quote to State Farm to get the supplemental. Once I get the supplemental in, they send me a new check. Then I'll commence getting the work done and getting the car repaired. So I'll be adding a lip to the front, and my plan is to remove the wrap on the side mirror covers, and remove the wrap around the windows, and remove the wrap off the hood vents, and get all that just painted straight black, because that wrap starts looking real tacky on those hard curves after the sun heats and cools it a couple times. Starts to peel and chip and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have that just painted black, and probably end up getting maybe a new rim. I don't know. I think I did some pretty good repairs to my rim, so I don't think I really need one. It was just scratches on the edge. But right now, that's where we at. Hold on. One more thing. I'm not gonna confirm this. This wind is blowing in my eyes from this little fan. This got my eyes watery. I also will probably be getting the rear spoiler, making the real spoiler, decommissioning the factory spoiler, so it won't be moving anymore, and having a fixed spoiler. So I'm looking into that too. So that could also possibly be another upgrade I have. So, but that's all I'm gonna say for now. Stay tuned. Y'all know what it is, man. Make sure y'all sub to that channel, man. Already.